was hard. That ain't no hard. Hey, pause the video right now. Hit the like button. I'll wait right here. I'll wait because I know that joint was hard. I'm waiting. Hit that like button. That joint was hard. Come on, man. You know what I'm saying? Hey, I'm bringing the hardest intros around here, bro. Ain't nobody bringing them intros like me, man. You know what I'm saying? Gotta put that roof back. Ain't nobody know nothing about that sunroof. Boy, you gotta have that sunroof in your ride. Come on now. My seat, bro. Come on now. What is that? Today I got something special for me. You know what I'm saying? And Orange Crush. It's a ProClip. A ProClip is gonna help me to stop finding my phone in between the seats, in the back seats, and in the door, in the cup holder. You know what I'm saying? Let me tell you something about this car, man. When you hit the gas in this car, you have your phone, you know, sitting up here underneath the radio. By the time you don't hit the gas, bro, your phone is in the back seat, bro. You know what I'm saying? On the floor. It's just too much in between the seat. I'm tired trying to find the phone. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to hide the phone in the door, but when you shut the door, guess what? You know what I'm saying? Then the phone rattling, you know what I'm saying? All that kind of stuff. We ain't got time for that. Y'all may be asking the question, why didn't I go with one on the dashboard? Ain't nobody for that hand all that rattling. You know what I'm saying? And I'm definitely not even gonna talk about the one that goes in the front of the AC vent. You know what I'm saying? That when you got on the heater, that the phone could tell you that it's too hot for you to even use a phone. I don't know about somebody who invent that. But anyway, even the one on the glass, when you come out from work, guess what? Sucks the cup down, sitting on the dashboard when you get out from work. You know what I'm saying? You didn't want that. But I'm not hating on nothing or no products. Let's go ahead and get this straight right now. Let's go ahead and get this straight. If you love the one in the front of the AC vent, it's a blessing to you. If you love the one that's coming off the windshield, that's gonna stand in front of your eye like this, that's just staring at you, it's a blessing to you. If you want the one on the dashboard, you know what I'm saying? Hey, by all means, buy what you like. I just got ProClip. Get yourself one. Oh, that's a good sponsor stuff there. Yeah, ProClip, if you see this, it's me. Orange Crush Street 92. Let's go ahead and get that, let's go ahead and get that sponsorship, okay? All right, let's go ahead and do this, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go ahead and get in the passenger seat, man, install this thing. So let's go ahead and let's get this done right now. Peace. As y'all can see, man, I am in the passenger seat of Orange Crush. Why I'm in the passenger seat? Because this is where it's gonna go down at. Right here in the passenger seat on the right-hand side of the gas shift. It's definitely about to go down over here. All right, guys, as y'all can see, this is the area where the phone will be mounted at. It still looks pretty nice, man. I'm just ready to mount this up because I'm tired of this phone just sliding all across the place. This is the area where I normally have the phone at. Bro, when I hit the gas, you don't know where the phone at after that. You don't know it. You don't know where the phone at. So let's go ahead and get this started, man. I'm ready to mount this up. All right, guys, let's go ahead and see how this ProClip mount look. You know what I'm saying? How it's gonna look. Let's go ahead and see how this one looks real quick. Open it up. Open the bag up, man. You know what I'm saying? Open the bag up. Woo-hoo, look at that. Oh, man. Okay, look at that. We already know that we're gonna have to use full screws on this to think it's gonna mount to the other one. But that looks nice. I like that. I like that. Let's get in the bag here. What do we got? We got 4 screws. We got 4 little screws right there. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, we got to install instructions. Y'all already know about that. Who needs that crap? You know what I'm saying? All right. Here we go. This is the second one. First thing is paperwork. I don't need that horse. Boom. This is a little side piece that's gonna go inside it. What? Golly, bugs. You know, I know those bugs and gnats and stuff like that. Can't do nothing wrong, y'all. Eesh. Look at that. Come on, get the sunroof, bro. You know what I'm saying? Y'all got all these trees and stuff to go play with. But no, y'all gonna ride up in here. Ain't nothing for free right here, big dog. Nothing for free. Anyways, so this is going to be the 2 little pins that I'm going to put in between the gaps. So it's going to kind of like open up the gap a little bit, you know what I'm saying? So that I can fit in the little, you know, the little crease looking thing. So This is about to be good, man. This is about to be real good. You know what I'm saying? Sorry about that, y'all. I had the door open, man. Bugs flying in. I'm not getting stressed out. These stupid bugs. Need to start a damn fire. You know what I'm saying? Smoke y'all out. Anyways, all right, y'all ready for this? Let's get it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, y'all set up. Can y'all see that? All right, right there. That's where we going at. You know what I'm saying? That's what I do. I got good angles for y'all. We're gonna go ahead and try to install this one first. You know what I'm saying? So, they got some adhesive back here. All we gotta do is take that off, take this off, and that's gonna help it stick, bond to the front and the side right there. So let's go ahead and do that, man. First thing, let's go ahead and put the gap spreader inside there, and we're gonna put one in the front to spread that so that we can go ahead and install this little clip right here. So. Oh, we in there. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, we in there. Not that bad after all. Just about to say. We all can say that that ain't going nowhere. Wow, that's nice. All right, guys, we got the first piece in right here. So we got the 4 screws right here that, you know what I'm saying, that we gonna put in, which is on the back of this thing right here, the 4 screws, and we're gonna mount that on that just like that, and it should be looking hot. All right, guys. Oh, this is a better view. What am I doing? I should have had y'all like this the whole time, right? You know what I'm saying? Anyways, oh man, where I put the screws at? I guess that was in the directions, right? Keep your screw in your hand. All right, y'all, I'm back. Screws right here. I've been sitting on the screws. All right, we're gonna take off these little 3 screws in the middle right there, bro. Let's take those out. It's over. It is over. Let's get it, man. Let's get it. It is over. So, y'all, I like it. Looks nice. Let me show y'all what's happening.